afraid just to say a hello.
Hey. パン屋ゆずるに頼まれて恋の餌
持ってあるゆず食べたかっただけいきなり
シミは
かんかなってみに
手話
またおえ
Currently on the bullet train. We got some nice bento boxes just to eat because it's a really long ride. I think it's got a lot of vegetables and a bit of rice in it. Just wanted something a bit light. Lauren's got beef box, yeah, beef and rice, and I think a small egg thing. But yes, these are our bento boxes. Dancing.
Welcome to Robot Restaurant. We hope you have a wonderful time.
We're at the Robot Restaurant. It was such a good show.
was
If you guys
so
are watching
good.
this, we 100% recommend it.
So good.
So good. Why do they put Raphael from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles?
It's like, get the fuck out of here. You're not even doing anything.
So random. If you guys don't have free tequila, you can go to Family Mart to buy really cheap ass drinks as well. It's right next to the Robot Cafe. Pan to this. And then you can get pre-lit before the actual performance. Can you do a zoom in on this? 僕は chicken です
Amazing.
So we're currently in Family Mart, one of the most greatest places in Japan. They're spotted around every corner on every street. So if you guys ever want to feast, anything really nice, come to Family Mart. You have not just chicken, but you've got like bentos you can just pick up on the spot. Sandwiches, sweets, ice creams, coffees, everything for such a small price. If you guys are from Australia, you can get it for maybe like $1.20 each on average, everything. So this is 167 yen. Oh, that's about $2 and something. But most things are about 118 yen. Welcome back to Ginger's channel where we're eating food across the world. Currently we're at Ichiran in Japan, Tokyo. We just came from the Robot Cafe and currently we're trying to get the... We can. Oh, okay. See you guys.
So warm.
I'm ordering it.
ありがとうございます。What would Charizard eat this morning?
Definitely a strawberry sandwich.
Yes. Where are they?
Fully stocked. Nothing more beautiful than a fully stocked 7-Eleven.
Charizard number 2. Oh!
Heading towards sumo wrestling.
They have it last time, but not here now. Ooh, that's really nice. Put thumbs up.
Just burnt myself with water.
Let's go for refills. Let's go for refills. Let's be like, please give us more.
I'm gonna grab.
Just like cigar.
Hello. very good.
Oh.
Quite stuffed.
He ate a lot.
We ate so much.
You ate a lot.
It was really
This
good.
boy ate a lot.
I ate
He's so happy.
4 times more than Ginger.
This one didn't eat too much.
Go for my first bite. It's great. Yummy.
Come visit Pearl Lady.
They're literally everywhere. So
Made in Japan. Yum. Oh, is that it? Okay. How long do I have to wait now?
30 minutes.
I see.
Oh, I feel like we're gonna be screwing even more here.
Oh, it's so much cheaper
Our
here.
snack shopping today.
Do
Yeah.
that as well, but let's find toilets there so we can shop comfortably.
Yeah. Jesus, this is huge.
We'll let you do the toilet for pretty long.
At this time, probably. Do you want to hold on to this one, Ginger?
What?
I'll hold the big
Oh
one.
yeah, I can put this in here too.
Just shop.
This
Oh,
man.
you can fit it in here.
That's all our shopping.
We keep looking, I think we did.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. I feel like I'm on with different Kit Kats.
Same. Oh, is this a Kit Kat as well?
Okay, what about this one,
I want to
guys?
get this one. $2.98.
This one's very missing. The pastry
Yeah.
ice cream.
Is that for you?
What is this one? Is this one coffee?
That's why I wasn't sure. I don't know. So many Kit Kat flavors.
I think it's tea.
I don't know.
I don't like orange candy.
Yeah.
So right now we're at Donkey. We're just gonna go for literally every floor
Yeah.
because we just don't know what to
That's true.
expect.
Because when I found out about this on a
Yeah.
YouTube video, I was like, what the heck? This is so
They
crazy.
literally have
Yeah.
everything in this store you can
Yeah.
think of. And right now we just touched the surface of the snack section. We've already got a few things, if you can see here, mainly Kit Kats. But
Different
definitely
flavours.
expecting a bit more as we go on.
Did you buy your drink
Yeah.
yet?
It's in here.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was quick. You bought it. Oh no, you haven't bought it
I
yet.
haven't bought it, so I probably can't drink it yet. Currently in the men's section and just general shoe wear, I think.
That smells so strong.
We haven't seen anything good just yet, but hopefully around the corner there might be something good.
This is something good for you.
They're actually quite premium, premium crops. So I can't lie. Look at our haul, so much useless shit.
What do you mean?
No.
I'm most excited for this one though.
Yeah, I want to
Alright.
keep one.
Okay, we're lining up now. We're gonna go to Sunasan.
Okay, testing time.
Alright, the taste.
Tell them what it is.
Japanese
Tell the
burger.
viewers.
The teriyaki burger.
How's it?
Yeah, pretty good.
What would you rate it out of 10?
7.
Oh.
7.
Oh. The shrimp one. What would you rate it out of 10?
Really? Better than this one?
Arigatou gozaimasu. This is so cute. Wow.
That's like
Fries.
Which sauce are you looking for?
where's all the sauces?
You love pizza.
I like pepperoni.
Where?
It's in here. It's in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here's the prices now, so it should be okay. Oh, this is more like our style of pricing. Cappuccino's $5.30. Ooh, I'm gonna get that.
Oh, I want a mocha.
This is kind of what I want.
Hey.
Oh, so happy! I finally got my coffee fix. 2 weeks.
Thanks, daughter.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you again soon. Soon.